Hey everybody, George Chamberlin here watching your dollars on this Thursday morning. Here it is, the 31st of October, so we're putting the wraps on what's been a very eventful month, and it is back to trading on Wall Street. The New York Stock Exchange and the NASDAQ are open for business today. The NYSE opened with a nice gain. The Dow Industrials were up very nicely, but that's kind of eroded as the day has gone on. No big surprise there. Michael Bloomberg, mayor of NYC, was on hand to ring the opening bell. So we're getting economic reports out, and we have tomorrow's going to be pandemonium. We're going to be getting so many jobs reports out, auto sales, all kinds of stuff like that. And a little report came out this morning that while most people really don't follow it, my friends in the media don't pay much attention to it, there is one guy who watches it very carefully, and that's Ben Bernanke, the chairman of the Federal Reserve Board. Bernanke is in charge of making sure we don't go into an inflationary economy, which would, if it got out of control, would be very, very dangerous and could really have unbelievable consequences. So Bernanke is not at all concerned about how much a gallon of milk cost or a gallon of gas cost. He's worried about the cost of labor. And he says when he sees wage inflation going up, that's when he'll have to start putting on the brakes to try to slow the economy down. He has to walk a very fine line there. So this morning we got out the quarterly report, and it's the Employment Cost Index, which measures wages and salaries and benefits. And they rose in the past 3 months, in the third quarter, by 0.4%, 0.4%. That is a very, very low number, and over the last 12 months, up just 2%. There is no inflation, and I think most people who work for a living know that there is no wage inflation. Our paychecks aren't going up very much, that's for sure. And so Bernanke can rest easy now and continue to stay in this posture of very low interest rates without the risk of all of a sudden it putting pressure on inflation going up. So Ben Bernanke will sleep well tonight after this report comes out, knowing that he can be confident that we're not on the brink of any super inflation. Watching your dollars, I'm George Chamberlin. Have a good one.